NFPA 79 Machinery Safety and Compliance. Welcome to the Electricity Forum Training Institute, or EFTI, a trusted leader in electrical training for the North American power industry. Since 1986, we've trained more than 60,000 electrical professionals to work safer, smarter, and in compliance with today's complex electrical safety codes and standards. Our 12-hour Instructor-Led course focuses on the NFPA 79 standard for industrial machinery, addressing safe electrical practices in machine design, installation, operation, and maintenance. What you'll learn. Students will learn machine wiring methods, control panel requirements, grounding techniques, overcurrent protection, labeling rules, and key updates from the 2024 edition, including surge protection devices and incorrect phase sequence. With expert instruction, code-based explanations, and interactive discussion and group learning, this course translates technical standards into practical solutions that reduce downtime and improve compliance. Our course is ideal for engineers, electricians, machine builders, technicians, safety directors, and compliance officers responsible for designing, maintaining, or modifying industrial machinery. This course comes with an NFPA 79 Industrial Machine Safety Training Certificate, 1.2 CEU credits, 12 professional development hours, 100-page electrical safety handbook, and a $100 coupon toward future EFTI training. Ensure compliance and safe equipment operation. Enroll today in EFTI's NFPA 79 training and keep your facility aligned with the most current machinery safety standards.